Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. SUI coin we talked about recently and the price has yet again exploded. We had the SUI coin which made a ton of people lots of money. Now we're looking at SUI Token. Can this coin hit $2? We're going to look at it in this video. What's going on with SUI Token? As you can see, it's up massively over the last week from 80 cents up to $1.41. Now looking at this token, it is up 65% over the last 7 days. The market cap is now $1.5 billion. It's a rank 50 token, and I'm getting quite excited to see what could potentially happen next. Most of the volume is coming through Binance, OKX, Bybit, and Coinbase, but I don't think we're nowhere near the top yet. So let's jump right in. If you're new here, slap that subscribe button, like, comment, as it really helps, and make sure you do get yourself into the Discord, the Jacob Crypto Clan, down below, where you can explore signals and find a really cool crypto community of over 20,000 members. Let's continue. So what's happened recently is SUI Token has actually hit a TVL now, a total value locked of $282.3 million, which is fantastic to see. The TVL is rising and it's actually exceeded Bitcoin and Carver, and it's actually paving its way to overtaking Kronos, Cardano, and Manta here. It could even be a top 10 in terms of TVL, total value locked, for the DeFi builders out here. So one of the biggest DeFi ecosystems with a fantastic total value locked at the moment. So I do want to jump into some very quick analysis here, because we did recently look at the possibility of breaking out of this $1.12 mark up to about $1.20, and we hit that target. I spent a couple days away from my screen, and since then it's gone parabolic, symmetrical triangle into another pattern right here. So we've had a symmetrical triangle. What we can see now is that we're actually forming a bit of a broadening descending triangle. So we've got the horizontal support, right, resistance at the top, but we do have a negative trend line here where the support is actually lowering. So this tells me volatility is here, but it also tells me we could potentially retest a lower region such as $1.34, but we could still do that and blast back up to $1.40 and maybe even see a pump from there onwards. So let's talk about the overall bullish scenario here, looking at the different confluences we've got. If we just jump to the 4-hour time frame, we are sitting pretty much at the top of the Bollinger Bands, which can be an indicator to let you know that you are in, of course, an uptrend, and maybe you are a bit overbought. We are above that 20-day EMA right there as well, but we are seeing that green candle. If you can close this candle green, we've got 2 hours left on it, we could potentially see some continuation to the upside here. That would be really nice to see. Now, moving into the 1-hour time frame again, the overall price target we do have would be for this coin between $1.49 and $1.50. This is the next potential leg up here for SUI Token. If we get the bullish scenario and we break out that $1.45 region, we will be paving our way to a 6% move to the upside. But of course, if we do get a correction, if we do see a correction here, which is completely fine and normal, I mean, if we look at the daily time frame, the RSI is indeed overbought, and each time we are getting overbought, as you can see multiple times, we are getting a correction each time. Correction there, so we could speculate a small short-term pullback here. And if we look when that first correction took place, which was actually over here, when the price was sitting at 91 cents, there was a correction. So we saw a correction on the overbought RSI. We actually had a correction of 27% or 20%. So this tells me that yes, it's possible to see a 20% correction here, and then even some more positive continuation to the upside. So if you do get a 20% correction, you're looking at falling back down to the next entry point, which is around $1.10. So these are the numbers that I'm personally looking at for this particular coin right here. So yes, we could break out to the upside, but we could also have a bearish bit of price action and come back down. So $1.10 is a good entry for me to get back into this in dollar cost average, but first we might have $1.23. Now, none of this bearish stuff could happen and we could just literally go to the moon. $2 is certainly something that we could be talking about as well, because it's only another 500 million, sorry, not 500 million, but we're looking at another 50% valuation, so $750 million worth in terms of the market capital will bring this token up to that desired $2 level. If you think it's going to get there, like this video, smash the subscribe button, let us know what you think. And if you guys are looking for trading signals, please do consider becoming a patron. We've got 481 members now, part of the paying side of things, where you can unlock trade signals, early access to DEX launches, stealth launches, and much more, guys. So if you want to get or make the most out of the crypto markets, it's all in the Discord. It's all about becoming a patron, where we can help you enhance your trading skills and potentially make some money whilst trading as well. I mean, just looking at some of the trades recently, if we look at the trading cards of the community, you know, they're looking pretty good. You know, everyone is putting out some green trades, some juicy looking content, and you know, our mission is to make sure as many people as possible are getting some positive ROI from the trades. Whilst you're doing that, if you want, guys, make sure to sign up to MEXC as well. No KYC, tiny fees, exchange where you can do all your futures and spot trading. So if you do want to trade, you are a trader, take advantage of the crypto volatility, protect yourself in the future. It's a very secure exchange. The link is also down below. Now remember, guys, nothing in this video is financial advice, but let's quickly talk about Bitcoin as well. 42.6k, we have seen a bit of a correction here for Bitcoin from the euphoric top of 48.6k. This was after the Bitcoin ETF news, and we can actually see the sentiment in the market is returning to what they say is neutral. So maybe it was a bit euphoric. And it says crypto market sentiment turns neutral days after spot Bitcoin ETF approval index shows. I think it's just one of those things where the ETFs provide a ton of value, but we're not really seeing the actual true impact of the Bitcoin ETFs. It takes time. It's just like the halving, which is just about 90 days away now as well. It takes time to see the impact actually take place. If you guys are also looking for a new ICO or pre-sale to potentially get into, Bitcoin M Trix is about to go up once again in price. They are tokenizing on cloud mining. This coin is a 10x potential category, high risk, high reward coin. If you do want to check it out, the link is right down below. All you need is a MetaMask wallet where you connect your wallet to the website and you convert either Ethereum or Tether USDT into your desired quantity of Bitcoin M Trix token. So I do like the fundamentals. The utility is solid here, and it's all about buying tokens, staking to mine, and then you earn Bitcoin on the side. And here's a little snippet of the dashboard. Pretty cool stuff. Only a few weeks until this one will go live now. And I think just overall the crypto markets are looking pretty solid. We've got a $1.67 trillion market capitalization globally. And, you know, by the next bull run, I'm looking at minimum a $10 trillion valuation. So there it is, folks. I think $10 trillion is, you know, going to be slightly above the average. I mean, 7 trillion would be great to see, but overall we're in a very good place. So if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, guys. Like I say, consider becoming a patron, and do check out the Bitcoin M Trix pre-sale if you wish to diversify and explore new potential opportunities in the crypto markets. Stay crypto safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Do your own due diligence and have a wonderful rest of your evenings.